And here, look what I have here. Here's the new packages, which is NAS Seagate Ironwool 4TB hard drive, a 3.5, and Windows XP Pro 64-bit edition. This is the very first 64-bit Windows ever released, and this here's I'm gonna unwrap this package. This came all the way from China or Japan or UK or anywhere else. Open. Oh, I think it comes with the original box. Yeah, I know what this is. What it's. Hold on. Oh, a Gigabyte Ultra. It's the Gigabyte Ultra Durable 3 motherboard. It's called GA-P55A-UD4, which this supports a 2x copper PCB Ultra 3 Japanese solid capacitors, lower with a smart 612 base power. Dolby Home Theater supports i7 Intel Core i7, supports Intel Core i5 and V55. Also in this one supports ATI Crossfire X technology and VSLI ready. This means I can use an SLI board on there to next be super speed. Say a 3.4 time via RAID. Say a 6 GPS and there. And also this box, let's see what's inside the box. Here's the IE cable. Here's the crossfire cable, and here's the SLI cable, and here is this, and here's the manual GA-P55A-UD4 UD3, and here's here's an extra driver CD that came with. I already have one. Here's the VGA driver for Asus. You might say that side. And here's the Smart 6 manual. Here's the manual. And here's the motherboard. Here's the socket. Looks pretty good right here. Here's the ore, and here's the what revision is this? This is revision 1.0. Here's the SLI. What's going on there is the phone line jacks will go on the bottom, the modem, and this is where my two video cards will go. This is where the top will go. This is where my floppy drive will go. This is where my ID drive will go. This is where, say I want to, this is where my Windows, all the Windows is 10 32-bit through, this is 32-bit, Windows 7 32-bit, Windows XP 32-bit, in which there's a Windows 10 64-bit, Windows 11, Windows 11, which is for only Windows 8 32-bit, will go into, say, a 3. So they can go all in there. So I'm gonna go put this back in the bag for it. I'm not gonna get rid of that motherboard. This motherboard. Hey, look, this comes with 2 USB ports, and there's like FireWire comes with eSATA ports. And don't forget, we need to open this is the back plate. We need there's the back plate. Oh, it looks pretty good on there. This is the eSATA external SATA drives. I can't wait to put these on my. You know, I think that's because I'll be big until Sunday. You know, I'll see if I can upgrade my motherboard. Think about it first. So I have to back up my registry settings first. How about I can go to team, then you press the place for your receiver, open, and then here's the manual. I'll only use this until when I get my I get another GTX 1070 or 1080. And now I'm very lucky I got the box. Oh, sorry everyone. Sorry, that was my mom in my room, so I apologize for that. Putting my shirts away. open this. Here, right now. And here's the hard drive. Looks pretty good. This is 4 TB. And pretty good. This is the first time I ever got in this actual whole box. You know, these hard drives, most of them come in just brown cardboard boxes. And last but not least, we're going to unwrap the Windows XP 64-bit edition. And here comes this product key. And here's this looks pretty neat. Very good. So I might install this via a virtual machine or on my laptop or externally. So I'll think that depends how if I'm free time or not. I think this might be to do. It says this is genuine. So the only way I have to activate this by phone, because Windows XP 64-bit does not include a factory. Only 32-bit does. So yeah. Yeah. So anyway, so that's it for this video, and I can't wait to use all these, and so I have to go in now because I have class and in-game. So remember to rate, like, comment, share, subscribe, and bye.